Okay, good morning guys. So yes, this is my second engine oil service after the end of my car warranty. So this time I'm coming to Munich Precisions in PJ, and yes, I have been exploring a new workshop. For the last service, I went all the way to Cyberjaya Vibo, and now because it's Cyberjaya, so it's a bit far for me. Now I'm exploring somewhere near in Klang Valley, and I found these Munich Precisions from my F20 gang, and then I also did some survey, and it seems like they are quite well organized, clean workshop, expert in all Continental cars. So let's give it a try. Alright?
YouTuber.
This is how I show my love to my car.
Yeah, you can see most of the cars we are fixing.
Yeah.
And Mercedes also.
I have been trying hard to find a reliable workshop in Klang Valley, so that I can send the cars, because I've been the traditional workshop in Malaysia, right? They are very messy. All the parts are all over the place, oily floors. So I managed to find your workshop online, and also from my friends in the F20 community.
Someone recommend us?
Yes.
Oh, that's
so
nice.
I did some Facebook search, and then I saw, wow, this is very nice workshop, well organized and modern. So yeah, just come and give it a try.
Great, thanks.
You can take a picture of this side. You see?
Oh, this part.
Yeah.
Oh, it's split, yeah.
Yeah, both sides. This one also same. You see?
But it's wear and tear lah, I think.
Yeah, because you know lah, drive condition.
But what do you call this thing?
This, okay, the one that's, okay, this one here is called a tension strut.
Tension
actually.
strut, okay.
Yeah, this is a control arm.
Control arm.
Some people call it a wishbone, but in this configuration, the correct term is control arm actually.
Okay.
So this is a track control arm. This is the tension strut. So this one, when you press the brakes, this one is taking the force, which is why you have a large rubber bush here.
Alright.
Yeah, and this one is the steering tie rod.
Okay.
So this is the one which is turning the car. So because the wheels have to turn, that's why you need all these ball joints. On the rear, you don't need these ball joints because the wheels are not turning.
Alright.
Yeah.
I've been suspecting it could be some mounting or bushings, but I didn't realize that this is the culprit.
Yeah, what happens here, see the rubber split, because the rubber is split, the water will go inside, and the dirt from the road and the water, it will flush out the grease, because this should be sealed with grease inside.
I see.
So then the water gets inside, and then it starts to wear out faster, and then the noise starts to come in.
This is this is a bonus for me.
It's quite a typical kind of,
this noise has been troubling me since early this year, you know.
Oh yes.
Yeah, and it's on and off, on and off.
Yeah. The question is whether your noise is actually from this or not.
Oh yeah. It could be a trial and error process.
I mean, we've seen
this is the one that visible to us so far.
Yeah, it's something we can definitely see.
Visual.
How about the other one, the track rod? You might need a torch. The track rod is okay, is it? Maybe get some light on there.
Oh, this one is almost
that split as well, actually.
worn as well.
I believe there's a split in the rubber there, because I can see it's kind of damp.
Yeah.
So yeah, I see it's split. So this
should be replaced as well.
Yeah.
What about this side?
It's the same story.
This side as well. Yeah.
Change them as a pair.
This one not.
Yeah. I think I'll just get it done.
The tie rod is okay. The steering tie rod is okay.
Only for the wishbone.
Yeah, but this the control arm or wishbone, people call it, and the tension strut.
Oh, so if a clean one should be supposed like this?
Yes, exactly. These have been changed already.
Oh, okay.
This has already been, you must have changed that in the past, because those are not the factory original ones. Those are replaced, I guess.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Car maintenance day at first I wanted to just, well, overall I'm very happy with the Munich Precisions with it, and also very impressed with the clean and modern workshop, clean, modern and organized workshop, Munich Precisions, and also very professional service provided from the folks at Munich Precisions. And yeah, I think I'll be coming back for my future service. Alright, so okay, back to my unexpected service experience. So initially I just wanted to come here and do a normal engine oil change, and then they realized when they performed the regular checking on the cars, and they realized that there's a rubberized part. I don't know what is the actual term to call it. The rubberized part at this wishbone and also the lower arm has torn. So apparently this is a wear and tear part, but the unfortunate news is you cannot just replace the rubberized part itself. You have to replace the whole set, the wishbone and the lower arm. So the cost for my car service today, I'm using Shell Helix Ultra 5W40 for the engine oil. I used 430. I used 4.3 liter, and it's total 330 ringgit 90 cent. Original oil filter from BMW, 90 ringgit, and the expected expenses: wishbone upper left 450 ringgit, wishbone upper right 450 ringgit, front wishbone lower arm 420 ringgit, and then another side front wishbone lower arm 420 ringgit. And then for the labor charges, engine oil services 80 ringgit, and replace control arm is 352 ringgit. Then after you change the wishbone and the lower arm, you have to do alignment, 70 ringgit, and they give you a complimentary car wash. So that is all for today. Some unexpected but unavoidable expenses. I think all the wear and tear parts we should change before it really rosak. So yeah, this is always take a preventive measure rather than you need to repair when the car breaks down, right? They managed to get it done in one day. In fact, normal engine oil service is just 2 hours, and they have a waiting lounge where you can wait there with Wi-Fi and drinks. And then but because of this wishbone and lower arm replacement, I have to leave the car until in the afternoon. But somehow they managed to get it done for me in just one day. And also I asked Munich Precision to perform a battery health check on my car because it's already 5-year-old. So far they say the battery is still good, and if I have a long cranking or anything, I can only replace the battery, and they also recharge the battery for me. Yep. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. And yep, that's all from my car vlog for today. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.